Today, you will learn how to insert checkbox in Word document. First, open your Microsoft Word document on your laptop or computer. Now go to the top menu and click on the File tab, then choose Options. A new window will open. From the left side, click on Customize ribbon. On the right side, find the option called Developer and tick the checkbox next to it. Now click OK. You will now see a new Developer tab at the top of Microsoft Word. Click on the Developer tab. In the Controls section, click on the Checkbox Content Control icon. That's it. A checkbox will appear in your document. You can click on the checkbox to check or uncheck it, and you can copy and paste it anywhere in your document to create a checklist. To change the X to a check mark, select the checkbox, click Properties in the Developer tab, and click Change next to Checked Symbol to select a new symbol from Wingdings 2. So yes, you have successfully learned how to insert a checkbox in a Word document. If this video helped you, please like the video,